I'm going to be making my beef stew, but in a pot, and it's only going to take an hour and a half to make this. Probably a little more because I'm making white rice as well. So the first thing you want to do is add in your onion to your pot. If you like onions, if you don't, then skip this step. But I like to add my onions in the bottom of my pot first, and I let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are all brown. And then I'll add in my cooking wine, my white cooking wine, 1 cup.
Through all the days and seasons, there's no place like home. Sharing our story, one day at a time for you to see. Walk through a new world, where every memory is gold. Come break up our sleep, hope you're ready to see. Join us for the fun before the whole day is done.
This is the cooking wine that I use. Here is my beef chunks. I am peeling my baby carrots right now. If you have regular carrots, peel them and cut them up. I'm going to cut these up and then peel my potatoes and then add it into my pot. Normally, after I put the wine, I put the bouillon cubes, the beef, but I forgot, so I just added them right now, and then I'm gonna stir it into the bottom. I got one more potato to cut. I'm going to move the seasonings around on my beef cubes. After I add this in, I will add in my cubes and then a half a cup of water. But then I will cover it and let it sit for an hour and 25 minutes. Okay, so now everything is added into my pot. I'm going to put my flame on a medium heat. When it starts bubbling to boil, I will then I will stir, cover, reduce heat, and then let it cook. I'm going to make my pot of white rice right now. Always remember to clean your rice with cold water before you cook it. I clean my rice. I then add the rice into the pot, put the water and some oil with some salt, stir it. When it starts to boil, I cover, reduce heat, and cook for 20 minutes. Hey guys, I forgot to show you the ending of my beef stew that I made in the pot, but it came out really good. I just ended up getting sick. I got really dizzy. I think I'm coming down with a cold. Hopefully it's not the flu. I think I got the flu like 2 years ago or last year. I'm not sure. No, last year I had a cold. I had the flu 2 years ago and I was out for like a week, like in bed, like I was done. My head feels really weird and my throat is really scratchy. I got some tea. Excuse me. I got my Halls. I got medicine, but it's only nighttime, so I'm gonna see if I can Instacart some medicine or Prime some medicine. I don't know, we're gonna find out which one is faster. Sometimes Prime be playing games and I want it like today, so I might have to just Instacart it from like a pharmacy or a supermarket or something. But yeah, it came out really good. The rice was really nice and soft, and it took an hour for the beef stew to make. So if you want to make like a fast, cozy dinner, and the broth for the stew really helped my throat. Last night, I couldn't eat the meat chunks because, you know, my throat is like scratchy and tight. So I think I'm getting a cold, I'm not sure. Or maybe strep throat. I hope it's not strep throat. Baby Bugs is watching the Kraken movie on Paramount. No, not on Paramount, on Prime. That's like her new favorite movie now. What happened? You want me to go? Okay, baby. Let me go and get better and hang out with my baby. Love you all. And if you haven't liked this video on the way in, make sure you like it on the way out. And if you aren't part of the Madness fam, make sure you smash that subscription and become part of the Madness fam. And always remember to be good people, make good choices, and always remember that nobody loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.